that wants to come back. We got InBev. The cannabis stocks are down across the board. Hess down. Let's set that alarm there. And then our last one is X, which looks like it wants to come back. I'm not ready to jump on that just yet. Any gap ups that we're looking at? Nothing gapping up. Okay, markets are rallying back just a touch from where they started the day. They were down about 50 or 60 basis points now. They're down about 40 to 50. Batting back just a touch. Nothing to get all crazy about. Let's see if the buyers want to come back and buy these dips. That'll be the telling thing. A lot of middling momentum indicators. Market's holding these lows now, or not lows, off of the lows.